Hey there, discovering trends in the market is super important, even more important than finding the perfect moment to jump into a trade. In this video, I'm going to share the best free indicator that I use to spot trends. Plus, I'll show you the settings I use to make it a multi-time frame indicator. And I'll introduce another indicator that will help you get the best entry prices for your buy and sell trades. So, first, fire up your TradingView platform. It doesn't matter what chart or time frame you choose. The key is to get things set up and ready to go. Now we're going to add a powerful indicator called market bias to your chart. This bad boy is excellent for finding trends and will make your trading life a whole lot easier. Just search for market bias in the indicator section, and once it pops up in the results, give it a click to add it to your chart. But we're not done yet though. We're going to tweak some settings to make sure this indicator works like a charm. Follow along and I'll make sure you've got the best entry points for your buy and sell trades. By the time we're done, you'll be armed with the knowledge to find trends and seize opportunities like pro. When the market is moving up, called an uptrend, you want to look for the price candle sitting above the green market bias line. On the other hand, when the market is heading down, called a downtrend, you want to see the price candles hanging out below the red market bias line. Exciting news, traders. We're about to introduce you to one of our brand new signal generator indicators. But before we dive into that, we'd like to remind you how much we value your support. Here at TradeGenius, our goal is to simplify your trading journey by discovering the best strategies and indicators. And the cherry on top, we share our discoveries with you completely free. We truly appreciate the shortcut for the time and effort we pour into making these videos. It's as simple as giving us a thumbs up by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel for more incredible trading strategies and tools. Now that we've shared that love, let's jump right into unveiling our fantastic new signal generator indicator, the Super Trend Strategy Indicator. This powerful tool is going to be a game changer. So let's get started. Head over to the TradingView and find the indicators button. Give it a click and then type Super Trend Strategy into the search bar. Once it pops up, click on it and bam, it magically appears on your chart. Now that we've added the Super Trend Strategy Indicator to your chart, we need to make sure it's optimized for peak performance. Look for the tiny gear icon next to the indicator's name and click on it. This will open the settings where we'll adjust everything to perfection. Now that we have both indicators set up with their optimized settings on the chart, let's talk about how to make profitable trades using these two amazing and free tools. To enter a buy trade, first we need a buy signal on the chart from the Super Trend Strategy Indicator. Next, we'll confirm that the market is trending upward by checking our awesome market bias indicator. So once both indicators are in agreement, it's time to dive into the buy trade. After entering the trade, it's crucial to manage your risk by setting a stop loss. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low, the market bias line, or the super trend dot, depending on the market conditions at the time. Finally, set your profit target at 1.5 times the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. Now let's discuss how to make profitable sell trades using the super trend strategy and the market bias indicator. For sell trades, we're going to follow a similar approach, just with a focus on downward trends. First, we need a sell signal on the chart from the super trend strategy indicator. This will be our initial cue to consider entering a sell trade. Next, we'll confirm that the market is trending downward by checking our trusty market bias indicator. So, if both indicators are pointing in the same direction, it's time to enter that sell trade. As with buy trades, managing risk is crucial. So set a stop loss for your sell trade, placing it just above either the recent swing high, the market bias line, or the super trend dot, depending on the market conditions at the time. Finally, establish your profit target at 1.5 times the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. This approach helps you balance risk and reward while maximizing potential gains. You might be wondering just how effective this strategy is. Well, let me tell you, this approach is incredibly powerful. By combining the super trend strategy and the market bias indicator, you've got yourself a top-notch filtering system to weed out those pesky counter-trend and false signals. The super trend strategy helps you identify the overall market trend, ensuring you're trading in the right direction, while the market bias indicator works alongside it to confirm that the trend is a strength. This 1-2 punch helps you avoid trading against the tide, which can lead to losses. Together, those three indicators form a highly profitable strategy that doesn't cost you a penny. It's all about finding the right tools and using them effectively to make smart, confident trades. With this strategy in your trading arsenal, you'll be well on your way to conquering the markets and reaping the rewards of successful trading. As we wrap up, remember that successful trading is within your reach, especially with powerful strategies like the one we've just covered. Now, if you're eager to take your trading game to new heights and potentially multiply your profits, don't miss out on our recommended video appearing on your screen. Thanks for watching and happy trading.